Why are they selling those knockoff cereals like fruit rings? Like what the fuck? They don't have interesting action figures here like Target, but here at Walmart they have some Chinese bootleg figures of the Avengers. Like at least Target has some good cereal brands, toys and video games, but everything here at Walmart is lame. My dad is stupid for choosing Walmart, like Walmart this and Walmart that. My dad is a brokey for shopping at Walmart. Nothing to buy here. I heard they have some intercoms at Walmart. I'm going to burp and fart on the Walmart intercom. Ha 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 ha. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
EWWWWWW. What the fuck? You burped and farted on the Walmart intercom.
That is so fucking gross.
Your son burped and farted on the Walmart intercom.
That's it, he is going home right fucking now. When he got home. How dare you burp and fart in Walmart intercom? You know that is very rude and disgusting. That's it. You are grounded for 3 months. Go to your room right fucking now.